for me, when I was younger, the voice of feminism was strength and power, and finding your own way in life, being able to stand up for yourself, and being able to take care of yourself, and not really being dependent on a man for anything. It was really important as a young woman for me to chart my own path and to make sure that at the end of the day that I was responsible. I knew I was responsible for myself, and I made sure that I had the abilities to be responsible for myself. Now that I'm older, it's different. And it's certainly, none of those things are any less important. But the degree of feminism that I have right now is the ability um, to love deeply, to love wholly and completely, to to love without any sort of constraints. So that's what feminism is for me today. That ability to really be open and receptive and loving, and to love unconditionally.